What do teeth and joints have in common? Both can wear down and cause pain. However, unlike teeth, joints have the ability to regenerate on their own. This natural process of regenerating cartilage and bone tissue happens in response to inflammation, injuries, and even the effects of aging. So why do some people move easily while others struggle with painful, creaky joints? The answer may surprise you, as the secret to joint recovery is unexpectedly simple, and it's the focus of our video today. We will discuss how to restore joint health without using medication. Can certain oils help relieve joint pain? Does bone broth actually restore cartilage, or is that just a myth? Does ginger really reduce joint inflammation? What is worse for sore joints, cold, or heat? What can children learn to protect their joints, and what are the best ways to maintain joint health over the years? An orthopedic trauma doctor with 30 years of experience will also share why working with muscles is crucial when you have joint pain and reveal the key secret to joint treatment. Why do joints become stiff with age? Joints are covered with cartilage and filled with synovial fluid, which cushions and lubricates them. As we age, cartilage wears down and fluid thickens, reducing mobility and causing pain. The pain comes from bones, which have nerve endings and receptors, not the cartilage. Inflammation can irritate these nerves, causing discomfort. What causes joint pain? Joint pain can result from various factors, including vitamin deficiencies, gout, and wear and tear. For most people, pain is due to joint degeneration. Understanding joint pain, movement versus rest. Pain during movement indicates arthritis, while pain at rest suggests inflammation. Morning stiffness is common with inflammation, easing as you move. Quick relief versus long-term solutions. For immediate pain relief, some use strong medications, but a better approach involves freeing compressed joints, doing anti-inflammatory exercises, and eating anti-inflammatory foods. How to relieve joint pain. Joint problems can arise from aging, injuries, lack of movement, and excess weight. Losing weight reduces pressure on joints. For hand pain, avoid lifting heavy objects. For knee or hip pain, avoid sudden movements and wear cushioned shoes. Use support when getting up and consider swimming for low-impact exercise. Movement heals. Avoiding movement worsens joint health. Activity helps produce synovial fluid, essential for joint function. Exercise strengthens muscles around joints, reducing pressure and increasing mobility. Moderate physical activity is beneficial, and exercises can be done at home. Osteoarthritis versus arthritis involves joint inflammation with pain at rest, while osteoarthritis results from cartilage wear with pain after activity. Both conditions require different treatments. After listening to the expert, I realized that we often don't pay attention to our joints until they start to hurt. However, joints give us warning signs. Here are some symptoms you should not ignore. Morning stiffness. If your joints are stiff and hard to move in the morning, but get better as you move around, it could mean changes in your connective and bone tissue. Burning sensation. If you feel a burning sensation in a joint, it might be a sign of inflammation, especially if the joint is also red and hot. If there's a burning feeling without redness or heat, it could be a sign of osteoarthritis. Restricted movement. Difficulty bending your knee fully, holding a key, or lifting your leg onto a step are warning signs. Creaky joints. Sometimes joints make creaking sounds. This can happen if there's little joint fluid, causing the joint surfaces to rub together and wear down the cartilage. However, such sounds can also occur in healthy joints due to pressure changes and gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. It's normal if there's no pain and the joint moves well. Weather sensitivity. Some people feel more joint pain or discomfort before it rains. This phenomenon, known as weather sensitivity, lacks a full scientific explanation, but there seems to be a connection between joint pain, weather changes, and cold. Joints often hurt more in winter than in summer because the body reduces blood flow to the extremities to keep vital organs warm, leading to discomfort in the knees and hands. Cold weather also thickens joint fluid, so it's best to keep your joints warm. Always consult an expert for advice if you experience any of these symptoms. Essential foods for joint health. The right foods can help restore and nourish your joints. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and cod are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and strengthen joints. Omega-3s help keep the cartilage, the smooth tissue in your joints, flexible, allowing for easy movement. But omega-3s aren't the only beneficial nutrients. In addition to fish, include walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds in your diet. These foods have essential fatty acids and nutrients that keep your joints healthy. Also, add blueberries, pomegranates, red bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach to your meals, as they help reduce joint inflammation. Protein is important for joint repair since it's a building block of the body. Make sure to eat meat, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and peas. Don't forget about foods rich in collagen like aspic, jellied meat, bone broths, beef, fish, and seafood. Collagen is a protein found in tendons. Cartilage and bones cushion impacts and reduce friction. However, collagen levels decrease with age, making joints less flexible. Eating foods rich in collagen can help maintain joint health. To fight joint inflammation, include anti-inflammatory foods in your diet, such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onions. These foods have strong anti-inflammatory effects and can help manage inflammation when eaten regularly. Although cartilage regeneration slows with age, it doesn't stop completely. You can prevent cartilage breakdown and even support its recovery with a simple and affordable remedy: gelatin. Gelatin is a natural protein that strengthens cartilage and connective tissues. Here's how to use it. In the evening, mix 2 teaspoons of gelatin with 1/3 of a glass of cold water. In the morning, add warm water to fill the glass and drink it on an empty stomach. Do this every morning for a month, then take a month off and repeat. This method helps provide your joints with collagen. While there are expensive supplements available, gelatin is a cost-effective option you can find in any grocery store. Home remedies for joint pain. To relieve pain and inflammation, try a homemade compress using aloe vera and honey. Mix 1/4 cup of aloe juice, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of warm water. Heat the mixture slightly, apply it to the painful joint, cover it with plastic wrap, and leave it on overnight. Another traditional method for joint pain relief is using pepper oil. Red pepper contains capsaicin, which has a warming effect, blocks pain signals, and stimulates blood circulation. To make pepper oil at home, take 10 fresh red peppers, wash and grind them, mix with 2 cups of vegetable oil, and let it sit in a warm place for a week. Strain and use the oil to massage painful joints during flare-ups. Do not use this if you have a fever. Honey and apple cider vinegar can also help restore joint health. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while honey provides calcium, magnesium, and potassium, essential for joint health. Use 1/4 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture in the morning and evening. Warm baths with sea salt can ease joint pain by relaxing the muscles around the joints and reducing tension and spasms. Sea salt has anti-inflammatory properties, and when dissolved in water, its minerals can penetrate the skin to help reduce joint inflammation. Key insights from an orthopedic specialist. An orthopedic doctor with over 30 years of experience explains that osteoarthritis is a condition where the hyaline cartilage in the joints breaks down, becoming dry and brittle, eventually leading to bone damage. Factors such as diet, weight, and genetics contribute to this condition. However, the primary issue often lies in the joint being trapped in a muscle cage, where muscles form knots, trigger points, and cause referred pain. For example, tight gluteal muscles can cause knee pain. Releasing these trigger points can alleviate pressure on the joint. Traditional medications cannot reverse osteoarthritis, but freeing the joint can significantly improve its condition. Living an active life without overloading your joints is essential. Balance activity and rest, and remember that your joints are crucial for a full, active life. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy pain-free movement for years to come. Even at 62, people can be more flexible and pain-free than they were at 30. The key is to remove blockages, maintain a healthy diet, and stay hydrated. While some may attribute joint issues to age or weight, the real issue is often the quality of connective tissue. Eastern medicine emphasizes the importance of spine flexibility at any age, as the spine is the pillar of life. You can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as diseases and their treatments. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I would also appreciate it if you could like this video and share it with your family and friends.